Hello friends, so welcome to our channel again. So today we'll be going to have a review on the new Kite websites. Okay, so the Zerodha have been updated both the Kite app and the Kite websites. Okay, so they have done some changes. So we'll be going to have a look at that. Okay, so the first thing is like they have added few more indicators. So here you can see that. So initially we don't have RSI indicators and all here. Okay, so if you so initially what we have to do is, so we should select that RSI and we should manually draw the divergence for the RSI. Okay, so RSI divergence is like a trend reversal finding indicators. Okay, so based on that RSI divergence we can able to find a trend reversal which is going to happen. So that is the one of the main functionality they have been implemented. So here you can see that RSI divergence. So here you can see that this is a bearish divergence happens. So after that you can see, so once after this bullish bearish divergence happens, you can see that there is a huge downfall happens, right? So for this purpose we can use the RSI divergence. Okay, so also here you can see that, so we'll be having a different video for this RSI divergence, so how to trade based on the RSI divergence and also this is one thing they have implemented. And one more very good important indicators they have added is like a VWAP. So here you can see anchored VWAP, right? So initially the what VWAP is like volume weighted indicators, right? So here in anchored VWAP we can set the anchor date as well. So which means that, let's say if there is a gap up or gap down, so we cannot do the alignments for the normal VWAP. Okay, so normal VWAP indicator will calculate for its entire period, so whatever we have been choosing that there, right? So here if we choose the date, so based on this current date, the VWAP will start calculating from this date. Okay, so if there is like huge gap up or gap down, we can ignore that. So here you can see that now the anchored VWAP is at 11,300, right? So I'll be changing the date for this one. So if I change this date to, let's say, the very recent date of like 6th, right, 6th March. So here you can see that the anchored VWAP value has been changed to 9014, right? So also it will start showing the data only from the date which we have been selected. Okay, so this is one of the best indicators, so anchored VWAP. So we'll be having a separate video explaining how to trade based on this indicator as well. Okay, so and for this drawings, and also initially we'll be having a drop downs where they will be listing all those drawings, right? So whatever the tools which we can use. So now here they have in a graphical view. So here we'll be having all, and if you want to simply use the text related drawing patterns, right? So here you can use this one, and if you want to draw the lines, so here you can draw the lines. So and also one more thing they have developed is like if you're drawing the lines from one point to another, so here they have been generated like how many bars we have been selected. So here you can see at the top that from the lines we have been chosen, it's like down of 26%, and its point it is like it had a down move of 3109.28 points, and we have been chosen 35 bars. So which means that we have been choose the 1 day candle. So in a 35 days time period, so you can see that the Nifty went down of 26%, and the point it moved down is 3109. Okay, so this is one of the feature. And one more very good feature they have developed is like and one more thing, in a chart also they have implemented like they have added few more charts. So here you can see histogram, the scatter plot, these are all the new chart patterns which they have implemented here. So here you can see the histogram related charts. Okay, and one more thing they have done is they have added a trade button over here, right? So this is a Nifty B50, so we cannot buy or sell. So I'll be just simply opening the ITC here. So here you can see that. So once you click on the trade, so here you just simply want to select the product, so whether you are going to take an carry forward or it's an intraday. So after that, here you can simply select whether you are going to buy or sell, and here you can see that there is no price, right? So here you can see this is like it has been selected the closing price of the ITC, which is like 197.35, right? So you simply want to drag it down so that it will place the limit order. So only at the particular price it will be going to place the order for you. So here you can see, if I want to place the order only at 190.80, so I am willing to buy only at the price of 190.80, right? I'll be dragging the price. So let's say I'll be buying that at the price of 189.70, and once I click on this buy, the order will be placed at the price of this this price point, so which is here it's at a 189.70. Okay, so these are all the changes they have made. So they have done the changes, they have updated as the Kite web application, and also they have done the upgraded the versions of the mobile application as well. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button as well, so that you'll be getting the notification whenever we are uploading the new videos. And so we are planning to update a lot more videos in our channel, so that you guys can learn, and also I can also learn along with you people. So please do subscribe and like and share and comment our videos. So thanks for watching.